Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these flannel blankets. I have purchased these because Halloween is coming up shortly and I wanted to cover up in style. These are the Hocus Pocus blankets for Halloween horror movie. These are throw blankets. They are 50 by 40. They are super lightweight, cozy. They offered it in different styles as well as different sizes. Alright, so right here we have got our blankets. These material is a plush blanket. It is made from anti-pulling fleece, which can be used for all season. These are super soft. They are lightweight, cozy, but that extremely soft and cozy. You can see that it's got a really nice color to it. These are machine washable. It is recommend washing this in cold water separately on gentle, delicate cycle. Tumble dry on low heat to avoid direct heat. Do not add any bleach. Wrinkle and fade resistant. It's 100% satisfaction guaranteed. You can see how super nice they look. The colors are on fleek. The sizes are available. It is a great choice for birthdays, Mother's Days, Christmas, holiday gifts. You can see that this one here is from the first Hocus Pocus. It has the characters from the first one. You've got Binks. You've got all the Sanders sisters. You've got the sister. And then you got Billy Butcherson. So these are a bit thin, but they are warm. They are suitable for several sections. You can snuggle on the couch, bed, chair. I actually used these the other day on the trampoline when we were watching a movie outside on the projector. You can see that it has got a really good quality of the material. The picture of the sisters are very nice, great colors. Of course, it kind of looks a little bit wrinkled. You can see the sister Sarah, Winifred, and Mary, how the colors just pop out. They're really nice. It is super, super soft. They're not really thick like other blankets you would expect. So now we have another package. We ordered a complete of 4 different blankets in 4 different styles. So here is the other style. This one here has the black flame candle with the 3 sisters on the top. And then it had the book at the bottom. They're all the same size, all the same material, same fleece softness. It's also machine washable. You can see right here the book is showing at the bottom, as well as Billy Butcherson, and then the Hocus Pocus at the bottom. The colors are really nice in this one. This one's more of the dark blue to accent the book and the sisters at the top, and you can see the little eyeball right there. And then we'll zoom in closer to these sisters so you can see the quality of them. So you've got Winifred at the top and the 2 other sisters on the side with a black flame candle in the middle. So here is the flame. You can see how soft, and this is fleece. The details of this, you can see the fleece on the back. So the front and the back are fleece. They've got really nice stitching. So now we're going to make our way to the other blanket. So far this is 2. So now we're going to make our way to the 3rd one. So this is the 3rd one. This is of the 3 sisters that usually have a moon at the bottom. But this one actually has the town of Salem. And it says Disney Hocus Pocus. And it has all the details of the city with the lights and stars. You can see up close, it's got really nice coloring. You can see the light to the house. And the little stars right here. And the details of the power from Winifred. There's Mary and Sarah. Then there's up closer to her faces. The hair. It's got really good details. They're super soft, as I said before. This one looks super nice. I cannot believe that the details of this blanket. Again, this one has some really nice stitching. On the inside is as soft as on the outside. So as I said before, I purchased 4 different blankets with 4 different designs. This is the third one. You can see the details of the Sister Sanderson's eyes and the Winifred lips. You just push this back and it'll remove some of the wrinkles. But the details on this are phenomenal. They are really nice. So now this is our 4th blanket. This is the one that includes all the casts. This one does have their signatures at the bottom of the blanket of each actor that was in the movie of Hocus Pocus Part 1. You got the Billy Butcherson. You got the Winifred, the Mary, the Sarah Sanderson. Then you've got Binks in there. You've got the dad, the Dracula. The guy who singed at the party. And then you got the mother, Binks, and the little sister. You can see the details on this one. And then you have the cat on here. You have a pumpkin. And then if you get further down, it'll say Hocus Pocus. And then it has all the signatures of all the characters that are on this. So there's a sister, Binks. There's a Sarah, Winifred, and then you got the moon at the back, and then there's Mary, and the singer for at the party. It's got really nice details. This one is a super long one. You can use this whether you're sitting on the couch, laying on the bed, or in a chair. You got Binks that's sitting on the pumpkin, and down here I'll get a little bit closer and you can see all the signatures from the casts. I'll just go ahead and unwrinkle that. Pull that out so you can see. You got Bette Midler on the bottom. There's her signature. And then you got Sarah, Jessica Parker. And then you got Mary, who is the Mary Sanderson sister. So if you guys are looking for nice little throw blankets for the Halloween season, I would definitely say check these ones out, especially if you are a fan of the Hocus Pocus movie. I would highly recommend these. They're not too thick, but they are just right.